Hi first class, this is your Busy at Maths tutorial for Monday the 8th of February. I hope you had a nice weekend. It was supposed to be very snowy, but maybe I'm speaking too soon. Maybe by the time you see this video there will have been loads of snow, so we'll see. We're on page 71 and we're finally on to the second set of money pages, okay? So question 1 up here. By the way, the whole page is concerned with 20 cent. We're up to 20 now. It's a gold coin. It has a few little ridges on the edges. I'm sure you know this because you've probably seen them before. But it doesn't have loads of ridges. It only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think, yeah, 7 ridges on the edges. Quick question. Why do you think that coins have different edges? Why do you think coins are different sizes? And why do you think the edges feel different? Just a little one to think about, and maybe send me a little message to say why you think they have different edges and why they feel different in your pocket. But we'll move on here. Color the sets of coins that add up to 20 cent and join them to the 20 in the middle. This is the kind of stuff we've done since junior infants, except for we were doing it with 5 cents before and 10 cents. Now we're doing it with bigger numbers. We're doing it with 20 cent. So count up here. We have a 10 cent, a 5 cent, and a 5 cent. We know that two fives together makes 10, and that means that 10 and 10 together makes 20. So put a ring around it, color it in. What color are 5 cents? What color are 10 cents? I want realistic coloring here, please, because these are real coins. I don't want to see green ones. Now, maybe you don't have the colors at home, but I know that 5 cent coins are usually brown or copper colored. So if you do have the right colors, I would like to see the right colors in these. I'm normally not much into coloring, but this is kind of a different exercise. It's about coloring them the way that their coins actually look. So if you can, please do it that way. So we have two fives and a 10. That all adds up to 20. So color them in, put a ring around it, and join it up to the 20. With the other ones, I'm not going to go through them, guys. This is all fairly basic counting stuff for you. Just quickly remember that if it says, if you want to count them up all one by one, first of all, it's probably a bit of a slower way to do it, but remember that if you're counting up one that says 2 on it, you count it twice. 1, 2. If you're counting a coin that has 1 on it, you count it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you can, add them up in bigger numbers. So 5 plus 5, rather than counting this one 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would prefer if you knew that this one is 5. These ones together makes a 5, so 5 and 5 makes 10. And then you add it up to the other 10. So try and do it that way. Use your shortcuts is what I'm trying to say. So don't just count up every number because it will slow you down, I think. So try to do it in the more shortcutty, more advanced way that we've been learning. So you know that this is a 5, you don't have to count it 5 times, if you see what I mean. You know that this one is a 10, you don't have to count it 10 times. You know that you're adding 10 and 5, and then you can add up the other 2 here. So best of luck with that part. It's not too bad. Then down here, same stuff, you're counting up the coins, but this time they're all adding up to different things, and you want to find out what they are. So how much money is in each piggy bank? Just count them up, add the numbers in. And then down here, a couple of questions. Piggy bank A, B, C, D, E, or F holds most. Which one holds the most? Piggy bank A, B, C, D, E, or F holds the least. Okay, so which one has the most money in it? Which one has the least money in it? Finally, part 3. Draw coins that make up these amounts and use 2 different ways. So this is definitely the toughest part of the page. If you can, I would love for you to get some coins of your own at home to use. Pardon me. Make sure that you wash or sanitize your hands after using them, because as we all know, coins are dirty because they go in people's hands and they go in people's pockets, and you don't know who's handling coins before you. So make sure you wash your hands after you use coins, and that just goes for money in general. So draw coins that make up these amounts. 17 cent. So the simplest way to do that would be, I'll do this one with you. Part A, 17 cent. Get a 10, 10, and then maybe a 5. So 10 and 5 makes 15. And then you'll just need one more coin. What would that be? 10 and 5. So you've got 15, and you need how much more to make 17? That's right, 2 cent. Okay, so 10, 5, and 2. So that's a way to make it with 3 coins. I wonder, is there a way to make it with 4 coins? There are lots of different ways to make 17 cent. Experiment with your coins that you have at home and see what you can do. We'll try to use all brown coins the next time. So let's say instead of having 10, you could have a 5 and a 5. And then it's the same as the other one. So you got a 5 and a 5. And you can have one more 5. So 5, 10, 15, 15 cent in coins. And then again, a 2 cent. Try to do that again with the 19 cent there. Okay, so best of luck with that tonight or today, guys. And I will talk to you again soon. Slán live.